Okay, hello guys. Good morning.
Hello, good
Hello,
morning.
morning.
Okay, right now we want to discuss about our document, chapter design, lesson design, and feature mapping. And then the first one we want to see the file from Dinda. Okay. In here, we can see the chapter design. What is the material about? Acid and base titration. Okay. Acid and base. This is the chapter design. Anybody want to give suggestion, or Dinda want to give questions to us?
No, Nia.
Okay. I think it's clear, right? For the chapter design. And then actually this chapter design is flexible, right? So it's not really looks like a mind map, concept map that we should like arrange it ke bawah gitu. Kalau chapter design ini kan boleh letaknya divariasikan gitu kan, guys?
Morning. Yes.
Okay.
By the way, Din, I wanna ask.
Yes, Nah.
In acid-base concentration, it has the formula or not?
Can you tell again, Ina?
Maybe in this material, it has formula, right? Rumus for determine something.
Oh, yes. Yes.
So if you add the formula in this chapter design, it can be or not?
Itu yang Din bingung nanti soalnya kan permasalahan kita kan mengangkat permasalahan kan. Nah, permasalahan itu nanti berhubungan sama cara menentukan konsentrasi asam basa nih gitu. Jadi ada nggak pendapat teman-teman yang gimana nanti, apakah Din masukin ke bahan ajarnya atau gimana gitu, guys?
Okay. Okay, then I want to give suggestion. So for this acid base concentration, it has formula, right? So, but the problem is it will be used for the problems, right?
Yes.
And then I think you are okay to write down the formula in here in the chapter design. But the problem is a little bit higher, right? So
Yes.
I think if you just write the formula, it's okay. Because the problem.
Oh, jadi Oh, nanti ditulisnya langsung formulanya itu di chapter desainnya nih ya?
Iya, di bagian bawahnya ini. Biar lebih bervariasi aja, soalnya dia kan fleksibel yang chapter design ini, nggak sama kayak it's not like concept map, but actually basically ya dasarnya sih sama gitu. By the way, what is your objectives learning?
Nia?
Your teaching learning objective, TLO.
I forget to
Okay, I can
lupa menuliskannya.
I'm gonna see in here. That is about determine.
Yeah, determine the XX level.
Is it see what is cognitive level of this one? Determine is
Lebih kayak nanti murid itu menganalisis gitu nih ya, nanti di bahan ajarnya kan Din kasih kayak lembaran praktikum gitu nih ya, soalnya kan kalau melakukan praktikum anak murid itu kan nggak mungkin kan. Jadi rencananya Din bikin aja kayak data dari praktikum yang berkaitan dengan problemnya nanti. Nah, terus nanti anak-anak itu mampu dia menentukan levelnya itu nih ya, kadar dari cuka ini. Tapi nanti bukan cuka sih, Din ganti jadi sama obat Milanta, soalnya problemnya itu gitu.
Okay. It's actually good. So this is C4, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So I think it's okay if you just write the formula on the chapter design. Ina, do you?
Yes, me.
Ina, do you?
I agree.
Do you want to add something? Nela.
I think
What?
I think in the chapter design is enough.
Okay.
Maybe observe the future.
Okay. I think we just need to observe like the gambarannya aja ya, not really detail. You just need to read it fastly, guys. Because we will discuss about it in detail on the WhatsApp group, right? So yeah.
Yes.
Or maybe Dinda, do you have any questions? Or maybe you didn't really understand about something in here?
Gini guys, Din bingung, soalnya Din kan mengangkat problem, soalnya ada susah mencari permasalahan titrasi asam basa nih kan. Nah, jadi setelah tadi malam dikasih tahu sama Nela, lebih baik angkatnya yang obat mah tuh kan Milanta. Nah, nanti gimana cara kerja Milanta itu? Nah, gimana nanti di bahan ajar anak-anak tuh, atau dia yang mencari sendiri atau Din bikinkan di bahan ajarnya atau gimana, guys?
Cara apanya nih, Din?
Kan nanti kan Din kayak bikin data praktikum. Nah, rencana Din tuh data praktikum tuh data dari obat Milanta nih, dari titrasi Milanta nih gitu loh.
Titrasi Milanta. Kalau yang Din tanyain masalahnya seperti apa nanti ke siswanya? Maksudnya ya
bagaimana proses kerja dari Milanta ini di lambung? Kenapa dia bisa menyembuhkan obat perut kita gitu loh dari penyakit mah? Nah, nanti kan dia juga menentukan tuh kadar dari di Milanta itu kan ada basa, ada kandungan basa. Nah, nanti dia juga menentukan itu kadar dari aluminium itu gitu. Dari basa yang terkandung dalam Milanta. Apa dibikinkan kayak praktikumnya tuh yang data Milanta nih atau gimana, guys?
Untuk masalah pertama, itu kan yang ditanya cara kerja Milanta nggak sih?
Cara kerja Milanta di lambung.
Buat aja permasalahannya gini, kenapa kalau kita sakit mah itu kita tuh minum Milanta gitu kan otomatis siswa tuh bakal berpikir kenapa ya, apa sebabnya kita makan minum itu, sedangkan otomatis kita bakal berpikir kan itu tuh pasti ada terjadi proses netralisasi gitu. Itu kan netralisasi kan ada salah satu contoh titrasi asam basa gitu. Jadi karena kita asam lambung kan asam, makanya kita makan Milanta. Milanta itu kan bersifat basa nggak sih?
Iya.
Jadi asam sama basa bakal netral. Karena itu tuh untuk problem pertama kayak gitu aja.
Oh, berarti nanti kan ada tuh yang kedua, nanti kita menentukan kadarnya tuh, kadar dari basa yang terkandung di Milanta nih. Nah, kita tulis kayak soal kayak perhitungan aja atau kita bikin kayak praktikumnya tuh nah?
Kalau Dinda ngangkat KD 3 atau 4?
KD 3 nah. Kayak dia tuh nanti menganalisis kadar dari data hasil eksperimen gitu loh.
Oh, berarti itu tuh kayak disajikan data eksperimen terus nanti mereka cari perhitungan. Menurutnya
Iya.
gitu sih.
Nah ya, itu maksudin berarti kita bikin aja kayak praktikum, data praktikum gitu kan berdasarkan juga cara kerjanya, bahan-bahannya gitu kan nah.
Yeah, I think like that. What about Inyut and Nat?
Actually, I'm a little bit confused about this. It's a little bit hard, guys. Tapi betul juga sih kata Ina tadi. Tapi nah kalau misalnya pertanyaannya tuh seperti apa tadi? Kenapa awalnya tadi? Kenapa atau bagaimana?
Kenapa nih ya? Kenapa ketika kita sakit perut tuh kita minum Milanta gitu?
Kalau kenapa? Ya susah juga ya.
Susah nih ya. Stresnya sama-sama.
Masalahnya konsep di pemikiran Nia nih, Nak. Kalau mengenai problem, Ina tahu karena Nia nggak terlalu mengerti problem nih, guys. Kayak Nia kira, Nak Din. I think problem, bahasa Indonesia aja lah. Problem tuh lebih ke, misalnya ada masalah gitu, kayak ada masalah sakit mah tuh kan. Terus gimana cara mengatasi sakit mah nih gitu. Itu ada nanti solusinya.
Kalau kayak gitu aja. Buat
kenapa nak lanjut nah?
Buat aja apa misalnya kalau jika ada seseorang yang sedang sakit asam lambung, pokoknya kan otomatis itu adalah adanya reaksi asam. Nah, reaksi asam bila dia menjadi netral, pokoknya intinya tuh solusinya tuh dengan meminum Milanta yang bersifat basah yang dapat menetralkan asam gitu.
Iya,
gitu. Gitu.
Kalau Giko, Baan, misalnya kan ditanya ke anak murid kan, guys, Ananda, bagaimana apa yang kita minum saat kita sakit perut kan? Nah, nanti dia jawab tuh Milanta katanya kan. Nah, kenapa kita minum Milanta? Nah, nanti kan dijawab tuh karena dia tuh kayak terkandung gitu loh, kayak terkandung larutan basah gitu nanti kan aluminium sama itu. Nah, kenapa kita mengkonsumsi basah? Apa yang terjadi saat kita sakit mah kayak gitu loh?
Ya, bagaimana
kenapa kita bisa mengalami sakit mah? Karena asam lambung. Nah, nanti asam lambung tuh kita bertemu dengan Milanta kayak gitu. Nanti dia bertemu larutan basah, terjadilah reaksi netralisasi kayak gitu
boleh lebih bagus kayak gitu lagi tuh.
Gimana guys?
Bahkan ada juga dribble questions kan, ada pertanyaan berstruktur gitu dari awalnya kenapa sakit lambung gitu kan.
Ya.
Nggak apa-apa kayak gitu lagi.
Yeah, thank you guys.
You are welcome. And then lanjut. Okay, the problem already solved. The next one.
Yes.
About what?
I think
Teacher.
I want to ask about the last closing. Can you see it?
Okay, this one.
In close. By the way, will you give some post-test in this closing activity?
Yes, Ina. Nanti Din akan bikin juga itu, soalnya Din belum selesai tadi malam tuh. Din bingung kan?
Ya.
Nanti akan Din tambahkan kayak jumping test di bawahnya sama
Sharing test.
Sharing test. Ya, jumping. test.
Iya.
Okay.
Oh iya.
Lesson. I wanna give suggestion again in the lesson design. No, future mapping, right? Future mapping.
Okay. This one is future mapping.
Last night I give a suggestion. You should give what is your teaching learning objective. Maybe kita tahu gitu future mapping ini nih adalah future mapping untuk TLO yang ini gitu lah, biar lebih jelas gitu.
Iya. Nanti ditambahkan.
Oh yeah. Suitable with the example on the e-learning, right? In here, it should be has teaching learning objective and also the name of the material, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
And
Thank
then,
you, Ina.
by the way, guys, we have sharing and jumping tasks in the lesson design or future mapping. Oh, lesson design, right?
Yes.
Dinda haven't made it, right? It should be has sharing and jumping test, right, in here?
Yes, Ina.
By the way,
Maybe Dinda can complete it.
Yes.
I want to ask about that. Is sharing and jumping task are sharing and jumping task have relation will put in assignment, guys? Because I'm a little bit confused about that.
Kalau aku nyut in sharing task itu tuh I ask to the student maybe directly, or I will give the problem of sharing task again in the formative test or assignment. But in the jumping task, the problem is from the remedial. From enrichment.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Na. Because I'm actually a little bit confused. Yeah. The questions in sharing tasks, yeah, by the example just 2, right? So is it good for is it okay if we put it on the assignment and then we add another assignment, gitu kan? So I got conclusion in here. Sharing test is it looks like a perwakilan for the question our basic competence, right? Perwakilan aja. That's why it just they just give 2 or 1 question in there. Is it? Is it, Nah, guys?
Yeah.
Because you said before that you can give sharing task in directly, or you can put it in the assignment. So it means that the questions from the assignment and then from the sharing task will be mixed together, right?
Yeah, it has relation lah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. Okay, next in the lesson design.
Lesson design. Okay, this one. Yeah, you should put teaching learning objective and material in here. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think in the lesson design and future mapping have relation and good, and maybe you can add some the suggestion from us, Dinda. I think enough for me.
Thank you, Ina.
Yes.
Nia, apakah masih ada saran atau gimana Nia?
Okay. Wait. So, the syntax number 1 is orientation of students on the problem. So, do you give the you give a picture in here? When the students divide into a group, then in syntax number what?
Number 2 Nia.
Number 2. Okay. But I think you should write in here, is it?
Oh ya, lupa deh.
Yeah. And then divide into a group. Watch video and then okay. I think it's so far so good, by the way. Maybe I can check it later on the WhatsApp.
Okay, Nia.
Yo.
Thank you, Nia. Ina.
You're welcome, Din. Thank you. Thank you too. Okay, we can jump to the Ina's file, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my God, I'm still screen sharing. Mana dia nih? Okay. Can you see, guys? This is intermolecular forces. Terdiri atas. What is the meaning after this?
What is it, Nyot? I cannot.
Huh? Can you see my screen?
See?
Okay, this is Ina's chapter design. You know that in the to relate one thing with another, you should give something in here, the name, right? So what is?
Yes.
Yeah. What is here? What is it?
What, Nyot?
What is the name in this arrow? Each of this arrow.
It the explanation from the concept, the meaning of the London forces or dipole.
Okay. The meaning. So this is the definition in here, right?
Forces. Oh, definition. Okay.
Terdiri atas.
Oh my God, I forgot to change.
What?
With English.
Oh yeah. Berhubungan, I forgot too. Terdiri atas. Yeah. Physical properties. What is this?
Oh my God. I mean, in the dipole force, London force, it has relation with the physical properties of substance. Oh my God, I think the shape menutupi the tulisannya. So,
Oh,
picture is the example from the physical properties of substance. It's like the needle can floating on the surface of the water.
yeah. Okay.
By the way, can I make it like that? I still confused about the arrow from the berhubungan ini, relation ini.
I want to ask, so it means that if it has physical properties in one, direct into one properties, it means that this one, and this four of these forces have physical properties like this, nah?
Yeah, the physical properties is like boiling point, viscosity, surface tension. So I make it like that.
Oh, I have a suggestion, nah. Maybe you can make what is the physical properties of these forces, so it will be very clear to us, for us.
Where I can make it, Nia? Where?
Oh, wait, in here, in and here, like
Like
near this physical properties.
Okay.
Or
Thank you.
Yeah, or maybe you can make like one shape in here, like like tanda apa namanya tuh, shape, and then you can make what is physical properties, like that. Okay, Din, do you have any suggestion?
How about you, Dinda?
No Nia, udah disampaikan sama Nila semua.
Nila.
Oke.
Nila kayaknya lewat chat, nak. Okay. Oh my God. Next, feature mapping. Differentiating types of intermolecular forces around scientific approach. Oh. It's a little bit difficult for me to read it fastly. Or maybe Ina, do you have any question about your future mapping? Hello? What is your problem, Na?
My problem is I asked to the student, like that. You can see in the ice cube can floating on the surface of the water. So we know that in the solid, we can imagine stone is solid. So stone cannot floating on the water. But what about the ice cube? Why it can floating on the water? I give the problem like that. So give the problem like that.
Yeah.
What about your opinion?
Oh, this one is the problem, right? Why solid substance can floating only? Solid substance or ice cube?
Ice cube. Oh yeah, ice cube.
Okay. Hmm. You change the problem, right? Before you said that in our previous discussions, yeah, you have so many problems that you want to um, jadikan question, but
Yeah. I'm so confused about that.
yeah,
Maybe I add some problem, but in the next TLO.
in the next TLO.
Yeah, I have. Yeah, in the lesson design or future mapping, we just need one TLO, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
I have TLO, but the other I just the other.
Okay. Hmm.
Problem. By the way, guys, after the student can present the result in front of the class, so I ask the student to conclude the presentation today. It can be or not in the model of problem-based learning.
So wait, depends on your syntax. Actually,
Yes.
when you want them to present the result of the presentation, which syntax that menyuruh them to present their result of the
Develop,
presentation? Oh, this one.
and present. Yes.
Prepare to prepare the presentation.
And the analyzing and evaluate the problem solving process. I ask the other student to conclude the discussion today and how to solve the problem. It can or not.
As long as, in my opinion, as long as you make them to conclude before you evaluate the material, I think that's fine. Because in the end or finally, the teacher will evaluate the material, right?
Yes.
Okay. I think that's fine. If so, it means that you ask them to conclude in the syntax 5, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And with Dina's lesson design before.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have any other questions now?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, you do the experiment in here, right?
Oh my God, I forgot to delete this word in this TLO. I don't do experiment.
Oh.
Sorry. Thank you, Nia.
Yeah. So, guys, actually, I want to ask about physicomotor skill. We can judge them by presentation, or no?
Before, as I see before in the example of LC and LD, in the skill technique, it can in the presentation and it can from the practicum or experiment.
Oh, yeah. Because I'm a little bit confused in our another subject. It's about KP LKS, right? When I suggest about psychomotor can be judged in the presentation, it's wrong, right? So we can just
Yes,
say,
guys. Yeah, I think for more detail, to give a suggestion or critique for my document, maybe you can add to the WhatsApp group.
okay.
Okay?
And then
Yes.
next,
Nah,
Yoi. And then next, my turn, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Wait.
By the way, Nyut, do you still have the time for your Zoom meeting?
Yeah, 15 minutes. Last for 15 minutes later.
By the way, can you give me time 10 minutes? 10 minutes?
For?
Yeah, for read your document, and after that, I just directly to give your suggestion.
10 minutes? Or maybe you can read it on the WhatsApp group. Actually, I just want to make sure something in here.
Oh, okay.
Like this one. Is it okay if my chapter design like this?
Oh my God, Nyut. My eyes very not salah fokus itu.
Why?
For the shape in the dynamic reversible reaction and force system. Why you make it like that?
I just want to make looks interesting. So makes me easy to know the point of the material. Is it okay or not? Because as I know before, the chapter design, it's really flexible. As you can see the example that ma'am gave to us, right? So that's why I make it like this.
Nyut, shift. The meaning of shift is equilibrium.
Where?
No, shift. What is it? Shift. The meaning of shift.
Pergeseran.
Oh, pergeseran.
The chemical equilibrium can facing shift, and then it affect by this one, and this one. I think it's
I think in the properties, you make like normal aja. Nyut, kalau if like that, oh ya, I'm bingung gitu kalau jadi siswa.
Yeah.
What is it? Why it like that? Apakah mereka satu gitu ya? Tapi entah lah ya kalau other student, I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe you can thinking it again.
Okay, thank you, Na. Okay, I think actually I'm a little bit confused about this one, but yeah, I'm gonna think about it later.
So then in the shift it concept or not?
Shift.
Pergeseran.
No, actually, no. Yeah. Don't make the shape. But you know, the example of the chapter design, if I'm not mistaken, there is concept that there is thing that actually it's not concept, but they just make it in there. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, maybe I'm gonna see it later. Oh, ini ya. Oke lah kalau begitu. There is other suggestion nah? Din, Nila?
Dari Din nggak ada nih ya.
Nothing.
I think you must think again about the
This one.
shape of the shift. I think shift is not concept.
Yeah. Actually, it's not concept.
Okay. So if not concept, so please don't make shape like that. Sorry, Nyut.
Thank you. And then, actually, guys, I'm a little bit confused, about the material in here. Should I write factors affecting equilibrium, or should I write chemical equilibrium or application of equilibrium? Because my objective is actually application of equilibrium. What do you think, guys? Is it okay if the material is factors affecting equilibrium shift? Faktor-faktor yang mempengaruhi pergeseran arah kesetimbangan. Atau
equilibrium reaction lah, Nak.
Equilibrium reaction, nah.
Karena dia faktor pergeseran kesetimbangan. Otomatis faktor ini bakalan nanti ada berhubungan dengan pergeseran reaktan ke sini, produk ini otomatis kan suatu reaksi ya gitu. Please don't forget to make reaction.
Berarti materialnya di sini tentang equilibrium reaction.
Factor affecting equilibrium equilibrium reaction. Shift of equilibrium reaction.
Shift of equilibrium
reaction.
Pergeseran arah kesetimbangan. Pergeseran reaksi kimia, reaksi kesetimbangan.
Ya.
Shift of equilibrium reaction ya. Can you see in our lesson plan? There is actually also main material and then material, right? So in main material, so it's absolutely talking about chemical equilibrium, and then the material is shift of equilibrium reaction. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Guys.
Yes.
I think for now that's it. My question about my document. Do you have any opinion?
I wanna see your problem. What is your problem?
Okay. This one is my problem. So, my problem is I'm gonna ask to the student how to produce fertilizer atau pupuk from NH3 with a large amount and low cost.
So it using the matematika, perhitungan gitu, calculation?
No, actually it doesn't use calculation. We just use because the verb in here is actually analyzing, yeah. So we will analyze and we will differentiating how if equilibrium shift, for example, or how if we increase the temperature, or it actually has relation with temperature, concentration, volume, and pressure. And then when we shift 4 of the factors that I said before, when we shift to right or to the left, it will affecting by the if it will affect to the producing amount of NH3. Okay. Any comments?
Okay. So after that, you ask the student for doing discussion, right? Not do experiment.
Yeah. I asked to the students to doing discussions. I want to ask about something, guys. Actually, I have some of syntax in here, and then I told them to make hypothesis by themselves individually. Yeah, in the using students, they should hypothesis, and then after that, I divide them into a group, so they will collect their individual hypothesis to become a group hypothesis. Is it okay, guys?
So from the individual hypothesis, after that, in the organizing student to learn, the student do discussion for in the group for solve the hypothesis before, like that.
Yeah,
you
right.
mean? Oh, okay. Yeah, same with me. In the organizing student, I give a problem, and then no. I wanna ask you first.
What?
Is you explain some material before it? Is you explain your material first?
In the first syntax,
Yeah.
the material, actually no. I just give them a kind of motivation and a perception in here. So in organizing, yeah. In organizing, I just show the video.
Video also. From the video, the student can give the problem, right?
From the video, yeah, we can relate it with the problem. Actually, the problem not from the video, but it actually has relation with the problem, so they can make.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, no problem.
Thank you. Okay, other? Or nggak ada lagi kayaknya ya? Because our time 2 minutes.
Yeah. I think it's enough note from me.
Okay. Okay, guys. I wanna say that don't forget to when you record when you teach the students, don't forget to give name tag. Okay, so if we become an observer, we can see the behavior of each of the students.
Oh, so we must give name tag for each student, right?
Right. So I can see that from the video, who is this and this is.
After that, we will do the teaching.
Yeah.
Okay. Fighting.
Okay, fine. Thank you guys for the discussions. I'm sorry if I have a mistakes Thank you so much.
Thank
Yes.
you-nya.
Wabarakatuh.
Don't forget to save.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Don't
wabarakatuh.
forget to record. Save the recording, right?
Oke,
Okay, Nyot?
Oke.
bye guys.
Bye
Oke.
guys.
Thank you.
Oh, kita ndak
Apa?
foto dong, ndak di screen dong awak itunya.
Din, cepatlah Din, cepat Din, 1 menit lagi Din, tolong Din. Din,
Boy, deh. Udah lagi di WC.
Capek.
berakhir Din berakhir. Udah Din?
Tunggu.
Din, ya gelap sini ya.
Maina, koina.
9.5.
Tunggu nggak dia kata.
Udah Din.
Tunggu. Deh mati lah gue.
Wah, itu berakhir. Foto saya lagi ini dulu. Sambil
Ulang lah di screen. Nah, cepet-cepet. 1, 2.
Ulang.
Nah, 1, 2. Dah.
alhamdulillah selesai juga.
Jadi kalau
Beku kapan sih nih lah, bilo ya.
Ya.
Adi.